Hello again. Here we go with a lovely lock pinned by PickME 1977. Say that as a neighbour's car alarm goes off. Here's the key. It's all very slag looking. Key works. Always nice. Put that key down. Reach retention tool. That's a bit sloppy. Alright, someone got to the alarm quick. Good job. Okay. That's better. Yeah. Trying with a rather chunky looking short hook from the Sparrows. Straight to the back of the lock. I'm just going to try and tickle the pins a little. Very light tension. And work my way to the front of the lock. Now that did nothing for me. So maybe my tension was crappy. I'll try it again with a little bit more tension. Oops. I'm convinced on that as well. So rake something up. I think I felt a tiny give there. So let's just take that as a starting point. And I'm just going to reach in. I can feel a pin here. I'm going to screw it up, drop tension. Alright. Again. Feel a pin, there we go. That pin 3 maybe. I think. I'm going to dig a pin 1 here, trying to see how that feels. Kind of feel like it wants to go. Here we go. There we go. I think I edged that into place. Trying very carefully there not to overset. Now, reaching a bit further back in the lock. Oops. Now that one I feel like I think I overset. See if I can fix that. Okay. Moving right along. There we go. Now, whoops, mistake on that pin. Oop, heard a definite click. Like something was going into place. No real rotation on the collar. Whoops, and there we go. She's open. I had really light tension, I guess. Cool. Okay. We'll be back in a second. Okay, back at the dissection table. That was a fun little pick. Kind of surprised to get away with what I did. I think I got off lightly. I'm going to try and pull this apart without making a mess. Five pins. So let's put them out. Pin 1. Pin 2. You can already see a bit of PickME's wizardry happening. 3. Pin 4. see a bit of pin sculpting going on. So let's safely over here for a minute and think very carefully about this. Okay. Pin 5. Alright, let me just reorient and I'll come back with a better camera view and hopefully some better light. Okay, I'm going to try and freehand this, which might be a mistake, but in the cylinder here we have serrations in 1, 3 and 5. If you can see that, I hope. Nothing up in the main housing. All normal. Moving over to pin layer, we have some very nice custom key pins. All this serrated on top. Made it got a fun little ride. And in the driver, actually, sorry, pin 5 is a standard pin. Point that out. We have some nice, some commercial, rather commercial looking spool pins in positions 1, 3 and 5. And in positions 2 and 4 there's some cool looking little custom serrated pins. Getting things mixed up, sorry. It's late, mind is foggy. And springs are all looking the same. So I'll try and get some better pictures of these pins for you. But big thanks to PickME 1977. That was a fun little challenge. Much enjoyed. Very much appreciated. So I'll wind up and say thanks very much to everyone. Catch up with you again soon. I'm out.